Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
We enjoyed a beautiful election day. Unfortunately, this is the nicest of the next 7 days as our weather slowly goes downhill. We eventually deal with some rain later Thursday night into early Friday, and then a taste of winter-like temperatures for Friday afternoon through Saturday, and even more so early next week. Not the direction we want to be going in. But today was nice. 60 to 65 for highs across the area, including 63 in Evansville and Henderson, 64 in Owensboro. And tomorrow will be about 5 to 10 degrees cooler, and then temperatures will continue to slide as we head through the rest of the week. Live first warning Doppler, for the most part clear. These are false returns around the radar. I've turned up the sensitivity to pick up on some very light returns up here to the north that are not reaching the ground. So really not worried about any rain here over the next 24 hours. But the rivers are going up again. Wabash at Mount Carmel is going to go to 18.3 on Friday. At Calhoun, the Green is going to go to 16.8 on Thursday. Some minor flooding on the Ohio. Newburgh is going to go to 40.2 feet at Friday night. Here in Evansville, we'll stay below flood stage, cresting on Saturday at 37.1, but minor flooding at Mount Vernon going to 35.4 on Sunday, Uniontown 38.1 on Sunday, and Shawneetown 34.8 feet on Sunday. And a minor flood continues on the White River. At Edwardsport, it's falling. You go below flood stage there on Friday. Petersburg will crest Friday at 18.7. The crest gets into Hazleton Friday night at 19.5. And the little Wabash at Clay City is about to go above flood stage, or actually hit the flood mark tomorrow right at 18 feet. But at Carmi, the river is rising, but it will stay well below flood, cresting tomorrow around the 20-foot mark. Here's a live view from our Heads Construction Tower camera looking down on the northeast side of Henderson. There's I-69 and the Lloyd Expressway on our Fence Pro Skycam on the Evansville-Newburgh line. Pretty seasonable temperatures for tonight. Right now we're at 49 degrees. After kind of a windy day, winds have settled down out of the west-southwest at around 3 miles per hour. Temperatures generally upper 40s to lower 50s, and we'll settle into the low 40s to maybe upper 30s by daybreak tomorrow morning, a pretty seasonable November night. Well, we got a little disturbance coming in from the west right now, but we're in a northwesterly flow that's going to bring progressively colder air our way. There's some snow in the upper Midwest right now, and we may begin to see a few of the first flakes of the season around here, at least in parts of the tri-state, starting on Friday morning. But in the short term here, this system is going to move through over the next 24 hours with kind of a mix of sun and clouds for our Wednesday. A little bit of light rain could get into our southern counties tomorrow morning, early afternoon. And tomorrow you'll see more clouds south and more sun to the north. It'll be a cooler day, highs in the mid-50s, but a pretty decent November day. And then skies clear out as we head into Wednesday night, and they stay clear until around daybreak on Thursday when the clouds begin to move back in. And we'll see the clouds continue to increase throughout the day on Thursday, which should be dry, but even cooler. We'll be in the low 50s for a high Thursday afternoon. And then here comes this next system for Thursday night. Looks like some scattered rain will be developing later Thursday evening. You can see at 9 o'clock. Leading edge is crossing over the Mississippi, and a solid area of rain overspreading the area here at 3 a.m. on Friday. And yes, this blue is snow, kind of just getting into the northwest corner of the tri-state before it pulls away by daybreak on Friday. But you can see a little bit persisting there, mainly up along and north of US 50. So some wet snowflakes possible Friday morning. Best chances will be right before sunrise in our northern counties. Then most of that gets out of here, and it's a dry but chilly, if not cold, day on Friday. The new data is coming in even colder for Friday because of all the clouds. Highs only in the mid-40s. Then a little reinforcing shot of cold air comes in Friday night. Could be a few scattered flurries with that. Skies will clear for Saturday, but it's going to be a cold start to the weekends. Partly cloudy overnight, upper 30s to lower 40s. Tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, cooler with more clouds south, more sun to the north, mid-50s for the high. And then we'll see more clouds arriving by daybreak Thursday. They'll increase throughout the day, 50 for the high. And then the scattered rain develops later Thursday night, heaviest during the pre-dawn hours on Friday, when it could end as a few wet snowflakes in our northern counties. Then mostly cloudy and cold on Friday afternoon, a high of only 44. Few flurries possible Friday night. We clear it out for Saturday, but a cold high, despite that November sun, of only 43 degrees. And then Sunday looking not quite as chilly. Nice, 49 for the high. Some clouds late. And then another system coming through early next week has the potential to produce some scattered snow showers Monday night into early Tuesday, and that drags down even colder air. The high of 43 on Saturday wasn't cold enough for you. Try 38 for a high next Tuesday. So we're kind of going from autumn right into early winter here over the next 7 days.
As we do so often, but at least we had a good election day
forecast.
It was
a beautiful day. And really tomorrow and Thursday, not much falling from the sky. It's just going to get a little cooler.
All right. Thanks, Wayne. Come